Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by securing power and data. Charge the Umidigi to 50% or more and plug it in. Then back up your photos, contacts, and important files to cloud or PC so you can restore them later. Make sure you know your Google and Umidigi account logins. Without them, a factory reset can trigger protection. Once done, remove the SIM or micro SD if you prefer, and reboot into Settings System to begin the reset process. You now perform the core reset. Go to Settings, then System, then Reset Options and choose Erase All Data Factory Reset. Confirm by entering your PIN or password. The phone will show progress and then reboot. If you cannot access settings because the phone is locked, use recovery mode. Power off, then hold volume up and power together until the recovery menu appears. Choose Wipe Data/Factory Reset and confirm. This clears apps settings. You finish by completing the setup wizard and signing into your Google and Umidigi accounts so backups can restore. Reinsert the SIM and micro SD, then check System Software Update to install any patches. Make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data is active so apps and settings sync. If you encounter factory reset protection that asks for a previous account, stop and verify credentials. If you cannot recover them, contact Umidigi support or your retailer for proof of purchase options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.